Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam, and I have a haul video for you today. Turns out that when I did my Portland leather goods haul, I forgot to show something, and since then I had a couple more things that I got, so I figured I'd just show you everything at once. I'll start with the Portland leather goods item that I have, and it is this. It is the Poppy bag from Portland Leather Goods. And this is, the leather is called Succulent. And it's like this nubuck leather. It's, I don't know, I just think it's fantastic. So this is, yeah, the Poppy. It comes with an adjustable, removable strap, zipper closure. And then here's the inside. It's big open space, but there is one pocket here, and you can see there is contrast stitching. It's got the like a beige stitching on here, and then it also has a pocket in the front of the bag, so it works really nice if you carry your cell phone or whatever. You can shove it in there. So I did buy this at the same time when I got the raindrop, the white raindrop, and the rainstorm, and I don't know what made me forget to haul it, but I did. And then one little thing I got, I'm going to show you that not everything I get is luxury that I enjoy and love with bags. I picked this up from my local thrift store. And this is just a kiss lock little coin purse. This is like a patent, probably, I mean, this thing costs 50 cents. So, but it's got a nice fabric interior, nice lock. It's kind of papery or whatever this is, paisley. But it looks like patent, but clearly it's not. It's some type of probably covered fabric would be my guess, with the brown interior and the little kiss lock. Like I said, I think this was 50 cents. And I absolutely adore it, and I will be using it, and I think it's awesome.
So you'll be doing more shopping there instead of online?
Everywhere. I do not discriminate.
Just more tools for your tool belt, huh?
Right, yeah. I don't discriminate.
Great.
The next thing I got was from Louis Vuitton, and something that I absolutely adore all the time, and it is a new, to me, key pouch. This is called the Tribal Mask, and this was from 2014, I believe. It's got the, I gotta take this off here yet. It's got the silver hardware. It's got this fuchsia pink epi leather, and just opens up like all the other card cases, or I'm sorry, coin case. Key cases. I consider it coins because I put my coins in here, but
you must have a lot of coins because you have a lot of those cases.
It's got a lot. It's got a pink interior. It's got the silver hardware. This thing is in great condition. I don't know if they ever used it because there's like not a mark on it, and it's awesome. Just got that, and so yeah, I was really excited to find this. It was marked in like the going gone category where they already mark it 30% off, and for that price, I'm like, oh, I'll take it. It's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be, but nothing wrong with that. Whoever complained about it being bigger than you oh no, sorry. In the role of Winnie today. No. And the last thing I got was from Gucci. And again, this was pre-loved. It was listed in excellent condition, so it did come with the box and everything. And I've wanted something this print for a long time from Gucci. And so, again, why I love SLGs, you can get the prints you want at a much lower cost than buying a bag, and still get to enjoy, the print. So this scratches the itch for this print for me, something that I find extremely useful. Came in its dust bag.
Another key clay.
This is a 6-ring key holder.
Oh, God.
And this is in there kind of like grayish white and blue. And it opens, got the GG on the front. And then it opens up like that. Has this bigger thing.
Where's that one
You
made?
can hang it. Gucci.
Where though?
Where in
I thought it said on there.
I have Italy, maybe?
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know. But it's got silver hardware,
Nice.
which I adore. The only thing I was a little disappointed in, because I never bought one of these before, is I like the Louis Vuitton ones because you could slip like a credit card in here. You could slip one in here too, but it's most likely going to slip right then back out.
So that's where you should put yours then.
They do have a spot right here, and I'm thinking a card might fit into this spot because that's something that the Louis Vuitton ones don't have. There's a slip pocket right here. So, not quite sure why this one is big and...
One of these things just doesn't belong.
Right, and then the other ones are more like normal, but I don't care.
Maybe for the fob because it's fatter.
Maybe. I was going to see if this... Oh, yeah, made in Italy. Right? Yeah.
Are you asking or telling?
Telling.
Okay.
Because I was trying to read it from there, but it actually says on here.
Okay.
So, yeah, I thought this was awesome, but I have wanted something like this in this print from Gucci for a long time in this canvas. And this came up and it was listed as excellent. You know, what I do, which I probably shouldn't and shouldn't really be saying in front of the camera person here, is I love to go through Fashion File and go to their 30% off or their going, gone items. And then
I think I'm going to have to use parental locks on you.
look to see what they have. And then I find all kinds of things I never knew I wanted. And they're such a good...
It's not how that works.
Such a good price that then I get them. And I'm a sucker for SLGs. Although, in my defense, a little bit, not much.
None.
Fashion File has had a 10% off on a lot of different things. And I believe I got 10% off on both of those things.
Yeah.
So,
I believe in the Tooth Fairy. I believe in Santa.
So that's what I have for you today. My next video should be up on Saturdays. I've been committing to putting up videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Commit you all right.
What?
I said we'll commit you all right.
And so on Wednesdays and Saturdays, I believe it's going to be an unboxing again or unbagging. It's a new bag.
What?
Is it one from my 2024 wish list? We'll just have to wait and see. And
let's hope so. Then it's one fewer for you to get in the year.
I don't know why I let you talk. No.
Wow. And signing off.
And please like this video and
please like the cameraman. The video's fine, whatever.
Right, yeah. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. And really appreciate that. The engagement is really helpful for me. Hit the little bell notification. You'll be notified every time I post. Leave a comment in the comments down below. I absolutely love interacting with all of you. It's helping me get to know everybody just a little bit. And I really enjoy that. You get to know me a lot more than I get to know you because you get to see me on here. But I always like when everybody shares stuff in the comments below, maybe about what you picked up recently, what you got for Christmas, just anything like that. I really appreciate it. And like I said, it really helps me get to know you a little bit more as well. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram, you can find me over there too. I'm at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And today's random fact, less than 200 days to the Summer Olympics in Paris.